Hey guys, what's going on? It's Lo for Low Nose Tech, and today Bietrun sent me the Bieturn WXM15 UHF wireless microphone system to show you how to connect this as a karaoke system. So let's get into it. Alright, so the Bietrun WXM15, this is a 2-channel wireless microphone. If you just look real quick, we've got our power, volume, we have our 2 mic volume inputs, treble, bass, echo, music, and mic B, like I said before, and we have our directions in the back. Alright, so we're going to do a complete setup on how to actually connect this and connect this to your devices for karaoke purposes. Alright, so if we look right here on the at the back, we've got our two antennas, our DC power, our Bluetooth connection, 3 input connections, audio, coaxial, optical, and 2 output connections, left and right output, and audio for 3.5 millimeter. Now, keep in mind, you can only use 2 inputs at one time, so just keep that in mind. All right, so let's connect this together. We'll start first with our antennas. So plug it in, push, and then forward. Plug this one in, same thing, push in till it clicks, then put that forward, right? And then we'll put in our Bluetooth antenna, BT antenna, place it there, and we'll just screw it on the top. All right, then we'll plug in our power. You got your power adapter, and then your USB cord. USB. And then power in, and then we'll connect our output first. So we'll use our 3.5 millimeter connection first, our usual stereo microphone jack. Okay, now this kit, it's got so many different audio connections, so probably whatever you're connecting to, you're gonna have a connection for it. All right, so we'll connect it right here. Now for this example, we're gonna connect it to our PC speakers because it has a line in from there. So we'll start with that first. All right, so everything is now connected. Now before we start putting our inputs, let's just take care of the microphone first. So we'll turn on the device.
Device is ready to pair.
And also you can hear that our Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
All right, well thank you, it connected successfully. We'll get into that. All right, so now we've got our microphone and test 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. All right, so our microphone's connected, but we already know this works perfectly fine, right? We've got 2 microphones that we connect to this. Now we want to start connecting our sources. So let's start from the beginning. Let's start from left to right. We're first gonna connect our Bluetooth antenna. So I've got my phone right here. You're gonna go to your, as always, you're gonna go to your phone settings, you're gonna go to your Bluetooth settings, and you're going to look for your device, the Bietrun 15, and just connect to that. Now it's already connected, it connected automatically. All right, so once that's set, we can just go and we can find something to play. And for this right here, I'll play this. Nope. Let me actually switch to my device. There it is, the Bietrun 15. And we'll connect to it. And now, just caught the end of the song there. All right, so yeah, so now our device is connected to Bluetooth, and of course we can just go, and I'm now karaokeing to the music that's coming from my phone. All right, all right, before the next song comes on, we don't want to get a flag or anything. All right, so now we're moving down the line. Okay, so that's how you connect your Bluetooth from your phone or any kind of other Bluetooth device that's playing a source that you want to listen to. All right, so our next input is our audio input, and we can do this right here, right? Where let's just say you have another device such as a mixer that has a signal that's coming in. You can connect this to the 3.5 millimeter connection, and then you can actually connect this to the input of your the output of your mixer, like so, and then you're playing music from there. All right, if you have another source, if you have a coaxial connection, again from a source that's actually sending music out, you have your coaxial connection, And usually you normally use this for like receivers, home theater receivers. All right. Now let's jump straight to our.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Thank you very much. All right, now we're going to do our optical cable. And for this example, we're going.
Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Thank you very much again. All right, now for this example, we're going to actually connect this to our TV. We're going to connect our optical cable to our TV. So we're going to pretend that our iPhone here is our source. All right, okay, there we go. And for this example, we'll actually go to YouTube. Because again, this is all for the sake of creating a karaoke environment. All right, so what do we got here? All right, I've got something queued up right there. Let me pause it. Now, let's connect our optical cable. Optical cable here. Remember, this is our input. This is going to take a sound that's coming from somewhere else. So my phone is acting as our media player, and that's sending the sound to the TV, and we're gonna take the sound coming from the TV. So let's take our TV, and we have an optical right there, so we'll connect it to the optical part of our TV. Again, I can't stress enough how it's super convenient how this microphone kit has all the connections that you need to get going. All right, so that's connected. Okay, we can bring this down. And I lost power.
Device is ready to pair.
Thank you very much again. All right, and of course, again, like I said before, you have our music volume right here. Thank you. We have our music volume right here, so we can actually control the level of the music that's coming in from another device. And mic, treble, bass, echo, things of that nature. All right, so let's find something to play. We've got our. Let's load up our video right here. I'll press play.
Oh, come on. What's that song?
All right, that's all I can give you because again, I don't want to get kicked off. But okay, so now we're doing our karaoke, which was our main intention, right? So we're on YouTube. We've got our instrumental track playing from our phone to our TV, and of course we have the words on screen so we can use it as karaoke. And of course, we can hear and just talk and sing and do whatever we want, right? So that's how you do it. All right. This is how you connect the Bietrun WXM15 as a karaoke machine. It's got all the cords you will ever need, 2 microphones and then some. So you're good to go if you're trying to get your karaoke on. Just connect whatever device you can and you're good to go. All right, guys, if you found this video helpful, go ahead, leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more helpful videos like this. And as always, guys, learn, do, and share. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.